Hey guys, I'm Horneman and you are watching my 2014 bike check. So starting off from the top, I've got some black ODI grips. The bars are Vocal Local XL bars, 29 wide, 8/7 rise, and I think it's 11-degree back sweep. Moving down to the stem, I've just got a 48mm profile stem, flipped it upside down, and I've got some bike ammo titanium bolts in there. Running a KHE Mach 2 on the front, and on the back I've got a Tioga Street Block in 2.15 wide. My front wheel is pretty much a complete Vocal setup. It's a Hitchhiker V2 hub. It was a prototype that I've been testing for a while. It's held up real well. It's laced to a Vocal Volt aero rim, and it's got titanium oil slick Vocal spokes as well. Magical forks. I've got some carbon fiber spaces in between my stem and forks. I'm running a 20.7 total BMX Killer frame. Moving along to the seat is a Vocal ventral seat. Vocal Valentine cranks with a Division sprocket and a Vocal Vice DRS bottom bracket. And I've also got some metal snafu pedals. I've got a Vocal Volt straight rim laced to a Profile Mini on the back. We've got the titanium oil slick spokes as well. Probably one of my favourite features on my bike at the moment because it's real sick colour. And I've also got some black ammo titanium bolts. So this is the setup I've been running for the later half of 2014. I just want to say a huge thanks to Vocal BMX for the setup and Vale BMX Shop for keeping it dialed, and stay tuned for the edit.